Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this Halloween clean and decorate front porch video. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw out a disclaimer right now. We live in Pennsylvania on top of a mountain. Most of you guys know that. And we are in the windy season. So it was 20-mile-an-hour winds the day that I was filming, and that is pretty much how it's going to be for the next few weeks. This is like our windy season. So bear with me with this video. You will see some stuff fall over and me fix it, but that is just what's happening in Pennsylvania for the Halloween season. But this is my 2020 Halloween front porch decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to start out with putting some little decals that I made with my silhouette on some pumpkins just to kind of make them more Halloween. I had these pumpkins out for the fall time, and putting these decals on next year, I can just turn them around for the fall and then flip them back over for Halloween, so I don't have to go out and buy new Halloween pumpkins or new fall pumpkins. It's just a really simple little hack to add some Halloween to your fall decor without spending a bunch of money. I'm super excited because today's video is in collaboration with my good friend Heather McCarthy. She has been one of my good friends here on YouTube since I started, and she does a lot of content similar to me. She does cleaning, home decor, she does a ton of oil stuff, some mommy content. Her channel is seriously amazing. You guys have to check it out. I always get so motivated watching her videos, and she is just a fun person to watch here on camera. I absolutely love her videos. She is a mom to a 2-year-old girl named Madison. She is the sweetest little thing, and you guys need to go check her out when you're done watching my video. I will have all of her stuff linked down in the description box below. Also, the wind was so bad that my tripod would not stand up. It kept blowing over, so half of the footage you will see me just holding the camera, kind of showing you what I'm doing versus it being like set up. But I'm going to go ahead and hang up this Halloween wreath that I made last year. I have a video on my channel how I made that wreath. I will link it down below. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add some of these bats that I got from Amazon on the door just to kind of give it more of a Halloween look. I was really excited to add that Halloween mat. I will show you guys that at the end. I will do like a little front porch tour. But I'm adding this pillow over here and this little pumpkin guy with some florals in it. Just kind of adding the Halloween already to my fall decor. You can see how windy it is with everything blowing over. But next, I'm just going to go ahead and add some little spiders and bats to this little hay bale. If you are coming over from Heather's channel, welcome. My name is Carlie. I do tons of cleaning motivation and home decor here on this channel. Now with the holiday season, I have a ton of clean and decorates with me, also some homemaking videos. So if you guys are into those, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and thank you so much for coming over and watching this video. This is probably my favorite part about decorating for Halloween here on the porch. This is the spider webbing that I got from Dollar General, and I just go ahead and put it kind of over here on the railings, and then I will add some spiders and some Halloween little stuff to it just to make it a little bit more scarier. I tried not to go with like a huge scary theme this year because my daughter is 2 and she is definitely a scaredy cat when it comes to scary looking things, so I didn't want to frighten her or anything, so I kind of kept it a little bit more kid friendly. I also have a blow up that I did not include in this video, and I have a Mickey Disney like light up thing. Those are going out sometime this weekend. We did not get the chance to put them up because it was so windy today. We figured it would just blow over anyway, so those are also some of our Halloween decor, but let me know down below if you guys decorate the outside of your home for Halloween.
I could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say it, say how I feel now, but my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that.
If you guys were here for my fall front porch clean and decorate, you know that I got some bums from Lowe's, and yeah, I killed them. So those are all dried up. We went away for a weekend and no one was here to water them, so they definitely dried up, and I thought adding some cobwebs and some spiders to it would kind of just give it more of a Halloween effect. That way I can still use them without having to toss them, because I literally just got them at 2.5 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago maybe. So I thought adding the spiders and stuff kind of made it look like I was supposed to kill them. So I did not like the way that spider webbing looked over here, so I went ahead and I grabbed a new one out of the package. You can just kind of ball it back up together and reuse it that way, but I just went ahead and grabbed the other bag and started using it, and it worked out a lot better. The key to this is having some thick spots and then some thin spots, and I always try to stretch it out and kind of hook it to anything I can find on the front porch, like a piece of wood that has come up, or like the end of the nail, the flat end or something like that, or kind of shove it into a crack. That's how I get it to stay everywhere. I just am cracking up at this video because of the wind and how bad it was. But this is literally how it is all fall, all winter, and even into the springtime.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
All of these little spiders and bats are from Dollar General, and they were each $1, so super inexpensive. I think a few packs were from Dollar Tree as well. They came with 3. No, actually, I think they're all from Dollar General. They came with 3 for $1, which is a really good deal, and they're super easy to use. They're very versatile for the Halloween time. You can pretty much put them anywhere. So I highly recommend going to the dollar store if you do decorate for Halloween because they have a ton of good stuff. I also got this beware sign, I think 2 years ago from Dollar Tree for $1 as well. So lots of fun decor at the dollar stores. I also got these 2 spiders. These were from Target though. I think the orange one was $5 and this little guy was $3. So I decided to put him in this little dead mum, and then I will show you at the end where I put the other spider.
For a day now, can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning.
So now I'm just going to go around and tell you where everything is from. So this little trick-or-treat pillow, and on the other side it says Hocus Pocus. It is from Dollar General and it was only $5, so super inexpensive for an outdoor pillow. I have this little Halloween can tin, and these are actually from Walmart. It came with 3 of them, and they came in like a rack setting, a circled rack setting, and I think they're supposed to be for like a party for like silverware or something, but I took them out and used them for that instead. The welcome sign is from Dollar General. I have the mum, and the other sign is from Hobby Lobby. This Hey There Pumpkin doormat is from Big Lots. It was only $12, so super inexpensive. The bats are from Amazon, and then I made this wreath from the Dollar Tree, which is super inexpensive as well. This is where I hung one of the black spiders, and then I hung this other guy over here, and I think it looks really cute when you're walking up to the front door. Over here, I just have that hay bale with a sign from, I think, Dollar Tree 2 years ago maybe, and then I just added some bats. I have a little witch's broom, which actually gives off a cinnamon scent. That was from Dollar General, and it smells so good. But backing up, yes, the sign just fell over. This is how the front door area looks, and I think it looks really cute. I didn't go overboard, obviously, because it's always windy and everything just blows over anyway, but here's another one of those little pumpkin guys, and then the mum and the pumpkins. I just added the little decals to it. If you guys have any questions about that, just leave them down below and I'll try to help you out. Here is the spider webbing. On the one side, I just added some spiders and a purple bat. And then over here, that little lantern is from Dollar General, and the pumpkin is from Lowe's. All of the pumpkins are from Lowe's. And then I just have the other spider over there, and then this beware sign. But that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and check out Heather's channel if you have not already. Go ahead and watch her video. I cannot wait to see how she decorates her front porch. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I am out of breath from doing this. I'm also 16 weeks pregnant, so talking this long, makes me out of breath. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on my next one.